Explain structures with kinematic indeterminacy. Earlier we discussed about static indeterminacy. Now when a structure is loaded, the joints undergo displacements in the form of translations and rotations. But the axial rigidity of the beam is very high. Thus, any change in its length along axial direction may be neglected. And since displacements at a fixed support are zero, thus for a propped cantilever beam, only rotation at B is considered. This is known as the kinematic indeterminacy of the structure. In a rigid frame, the joints B and C have 3 degrees of freedom. Now, if axial deformations of the members are neglected, then U1 is equal to U4, U2 and U4 can be neglected. Hence, we have 3 independent joint displacements. These are rotations at B and C and 1 translation. Now let's summarize the kinematic indeterminate structures.